All right, what's up, Raza? Let me know if you guys can hear me. I'm just gonna test the audio real quick. But in this video, we're gonna continue on with the Raza learning chemistry series, and it looks like my audio is good. And yeah, so anyways, we ended up at 3.2, and then I'm gonna pull up our notepad real quick. But we're gonna continue on with the book, and then we're also gonna start our physics series also right after or sometime soon. All right. Hey, RG Reef, what's up, G? Thank you for joining, bro. Let me know how my audio is. But and today I'm actually gonna do some chemistry. We're gonna continue on with the chemistry series, and we're at chapter 3.2. I pulled up the notepad from last time. We ended up with this equation. So I guess in the previous chapter, 3.1, we were balancing equations, and looks like this is where we're at. So let me copy. Hold on. I forgot how to use this. All right, there you go. So last time, what we did, we basically balanced the equation. So if you look at that 2 right here and the 2 right here, this 2 and this 2, it balanced out the equation. But let's see. All right. So anyways, that's where we left off. But let's continue. Oh, snap. Sorry, my I have a whole setup kind of weird, so it's gonna be pretty hard. All right. But anyways, let's continue on. So we're gonna continue on reading, and let's do this, baby. This is gonna be really hard. I wish I had everything to do this right with, but anyways, fuck it, good enough. All right, so I'm gonna try to read this. All right. Uh I'm trying to get comfortable because I'm in a weird position trying to do this. RG Reef, thank you. Sounds good. All right, my G. All right, so in this section, we examine, some simple patterns of chemical reactivity. In this section, we examine 3 simple kinds of reactions that we will see frequently throughout this chapter. Our first reason for examining these reactions is merely to become a better acquainted with chemical reactions and their balanced equations. Our second reason is to consider how we might predict the products of some of these reactions knowing only their reactants. The key to predicting the products formed by a given combination of reactions is recognizing general patterns of chemical reactivity. Recognizing a pattern of reactivity for a class of substance gives you a broader understanding, more merely, what is it? Sorry, I looked away. I lost where I'm at. Understanding than merely memorizing a large number of unrelated reactions. Combination and decomposition reactions. Table 3.1 summarizes 2 simple types of reactions, combination and decomposition reactions. In combination reactions, 2 or more substances react to form one product. Oh, snap. I keep forgetting to lower it down. All right. All right. So summarizes 2 simple types of reactions, combination and decomposition reactions. In combination reactions, 2 or more substances react to form one product. There are many examples of combination reactions, especially those in which elements combine to form compounds. For example, magnesium metal burns in air with a dazzling brilliance to produce magnesium oxide, as shown in figure 3.5. So magnesium oxide. All right, let's write that down and let's get our notepad out. All right, so magnesium oxide. Oh man, I gotta move my notepad this way. Okay, magnesium oxide is hold on, guys. I gotta let go of the book, but Hold on real quick, guys. Let me could you guys read that still? Or can I go lower on the pixels? Let's see. Sorry, I'm testing out the pixels real quick, guys. All right, for now, let's go to 6 where we had it, but or let's go to 5. All right. So magnesium. So we got magnesium. Oh yeah, I might need to go smaller, guys. Or wait, hold up. My stylus isn't working real quick. I have to use the other Android. Why isn't it not working? Okay, there you go. All right, so we got magnesium solid plus oxygen gas produces magnesium oxide solid. All right. I think it would be better if yeah, let me just put a parentheses. All right. And it's not balanced. So here's the equation right there, and a magnesium right there too, because there's already a 2 right here of oxygen. Okay. So, anyways, let's continue. Let's continue. This reaction is used to produce a brilliant flame. Oh snap! Oh, actually, I don't know how to do this, guys. This is my first time teaching this. All right. All right, this reaction is used to produce a brilliant flame generated by flares of some fireworks. When a combination reaction occurs between a metal and a non-metal, as in Figure 3.6, the product is an ionic solid. Recall that the formula of an ionic compound can be determined by the charges of the ions involved. Section 2.7. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, for example, the magnesium loses electrons and forms magnesium ion Mg2 plus. So what it's saying is when basically when magnesium dissolves or actually it doesn't say specifically when it dissolves, but when you have magnesium and let's say man, maybe I should just continue. Anyways, we're saying magnesium 2 plus, right? So when you go look at the periodic table, you're gonna see magnesium is gonna be right here. All right. And when it does, let's say when it forms a charge, I'm just gonna say a charge. It doesn't matter if it's solid, liquid, or gas, right? It's gonna form a 2 plus. If it forms a 2 plus, that means magnesium is right there on the periodic table. And I don't have my periodic table out, but hey, Coral works, bro. What's up, G? A non-metallic ion like oxygen. Yeah, so magnesium, so going back to over here, on this one, let's say you take this magnesium right here, all right, or even this magnesium, you can see that the charge is always a +2, all right, and the oxygen on most cases, not all the time, it's usually a -2, and let's say that's a -2. But really, oh, it's in gas, so it actually might not even have a charge. But uh, let's say it goes into let's say it goes into plasma or some shit where it has a charge, like a charged gas. It more than likely, I don't know, but my guess is that it's gonna be a -2. All right. But anyways, so let's say this is the oxygen that was on the magnesium solid. The oxygen is gonna have a -2 charge. Bam. All right, so let's continue reading. And let's see where I left off at. The oxygen gain electrons to form an oxide of -O2. Oh yeah, see right there. I wonder if I could. Oh yeah, that shit no good. Man, sorry, I don't have the paid version, so I don't know if I could even move the thing. But anyway, so if you look at the oxygen, it's a -2 charge, so that's what it's saying. So thus, the reaction produces a magnesium oxide. You should be able to recognize when a reaction is a combination reaction, and to predict the products and the combination reactions in which the reactants are a metal or non-metal. Sorry guys, let me zoom out real quick. Oh shit. All right. That's hella funny. Right here in my book, all it says is the title. It says combination of decomposition reactions. Um, all right, so I finished off reading up to right here. Sorry, I'm trying to look at my screen on the camera. All right, so give it some thought. Uh, hold on. Let me All right. In a decomposition reaction, one substance undergoes a reaction to produce two or more other substances. Many compounds undergo decomposition reactions when heated. For example, any metal, carbon, wait, any metal, uh, carbonates. Oh, okay. For example, many metal carbonates decompose to form metal oxides and carbon dioxide when heated. Calcium carbonate solid decomposition changes to calcium oxide solid and CO2 gas. I don't know if that's what I just said, calcium oxide or some shit, but it could even be calcium dicalcium dioxide or calcium di. Oh, I mean mono. I think mono calcium monoxide, but I don't know. But more than likely that's calcium oxide. But I really don't know. But I don't give a shit on the name. But that's basically what's happening right there. Uh, this is the metal, and that's the non-metal. Wait, hold on, guys. I'll be right back, real quick. All right, this might. Okay, let's go. So basically, what it's saying. If we go to our little thing right here. Oh snap! So what it's saying is calcium. Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a heads up. When it says decomposition reactions and combination reactions, don't even worry about what the fuck none of that shit means. All right. That's only if you're taking a test and they want to really grade you on on all that crap. Really, none of that shit matters. Anyway, so we got this equation right here that you have on the book, and what it's saying is that this is the metal, calcium, and CO3. I know it's carbonate, and then this is the non-metal. All right. So this is metal, and this is not metal. Okay. That's all it's saying right there. All right. So everything I just read, that's all it's saying. And then when it breaks down, it goes into calcium. Oh, it actually, when it reacts, this is a solid. When it reacts, let's say when it reacts, you get calcium oxide solid plus CO2 gas. All right. So, anyways, let's go. Well, actually, that's all you gotta fucking know from that right there. And then over here, it just it has a metal, and then they lit it up, and then it turned into magnesium oxide. I think that's magnesium. Yeah, saying magnesium oxide. And the reaction right there is right there. Hold on. See that? That's a reaction to two magnesiums and two oxygens. Let me write it down for you guys on the screen real quick. So that's 2 mg solid plus O. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I had to check my back. Had to check my back real quick. All right, so I keep hearing shit. So it might be the headphones. Anyways, so M2G. All right, all right. Produces a gas, so oxygen gas. So magnesium solid. So a metal of magnesium plus oxygen. When you burn it, it produces two magnesium oxides, or I believe that's what that shit is called. Hold on. Solid right there. Magnesium oxide solid. Is that what it says? I mean, how you say it? I usually forget the names, but I would say magnesium oxide. So anyways, I forgot where I was. Yeah, that was that equation. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, we could still have Mr. Works' question right there. All right, so going to this page, man. Sorry, everybody. I know it's pretty. The white balance is kind of intense on there. So anyway, let's keep reading. Decomposition of calcium oxide. Calcium carbonate is an important chemical process. Limestone, or seashells, which are both primarily calcium carbonate, are heated to prepare calcium oxide, which is no, I think that's what it's called. CaCO2. What is it? CaO. Which is known as lime or quicklime, about 2 times 10 to the 10 kilograms, 2 million tons of calcium oxide is known in the United States. It might be calcium monoxide or some shit, or calcium monoxide. Is used in the United States each year, primarily in making glass, in obtaining iron from its ores, and making mortar to bind bricks. Oh shit! Wait, hold on. Is It's principally. Wait, hold on. Let me read that. Calcium is used in the United States each year. Principally. I don't know how to fucking read. In making glass. That's pretty. That's pretty awesome. Now, that's some shit. That's some cool shit to know. The decomposition of sodium. I don't know how to pronounce that. Azidide. Na. Oh shit. Sorry guys. I didn't. I'm not even showing you guys a thing. So that's calcium oxide, I think. Or calcium monoxide. I don't know what the fuck that is. All right. So, anyways, in the bottom right there, it says 2Na. So that's sodium azidide or some shit. So 2Na N3 solid. All right. Goes a chemical or some kind of reaction. 2Na solid plus 3N2 gas. So it produces 3 nitrogen gases right there. All right. So that's where we're at right there. Okay. The system design. So Okay. Rapid releases N2 gas, so thus reaction is used to inflate. Oh, okay, okay. The decomposition of sodium azidide rapidly releases N2 nitrate gas and N2 gas, so that reaction is used to inflate safety airbags in automobiles. So sodium NO3 solid goes a reaction and forms sodium solid, so metal sodium and plus sodium gas. Okay, so that's the reaction that goes right there. Oh, plus nitrate gas. My bad. I'm a fucking dumbass, guys. So it's hard to read sideways. So you have sodium. What is it called? Sodium azidide, which is that right here. It produces metal of sodium plus nitrate gas. Okay, and nitrate gas is not it doesn't bond with anything else really. And when you have nitrogen gas right here, it's really hard to uh unbond that molecule. So it takes a lot of energy to go from N2 to, let's say, if you want to separate them, it takes a lot of energy to break that bond. All right. It might even I think it's because it's a triple bond, but I'm not sure. You guys got to go check at the periodic table. All right. The system is designed so that the impact ignites the detonator cap, which is to cause sodium. I'm just gonna read it how I read it when I read the book. To Na N3. Well, no, actually that sounds weird. Let's just read it what it's called. What is it called? Sodium azidide. So sodium azidide is decomposed explosively. So basically, it explodes. Exothermic reaction. A small quantity of sodium azidide is about 100 grams. Gases produce a chemical reactions in section 10.6. All right, so that's when we get to 10.6. All right, so I read that whole shit right there. All right. Write the balance equations for the following reaction. A combination reaction occurs with lithium metal and fluoride gas. Fuck. All right. I guess we have to do that shit. Oh. Well, we're already getting the answers, so that's not that cool, but we're just gonna keep reading, all right? Oh, actually, let's well, you got the answer right there. So the important thing is know how to balance the stupid shit. All right. So let me just hold on, let me get a smaller stylus. All right, so we got lithium solid plus fluorine gas. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I don't give a shit. Whatever I said earlier, or I haven't even read the equation. Sorry, I didn't even read the write a balanced equation for the following reaction. The combination reactions within lithium metal and fluorine gas. Okay, I'm right. I'm supposed to know, but I never know the names. Fuck all the name shit. Lithium fluoride. I'll just call it lithium fluoride solid. All right. I don't know what the fuck it's called. All right. So, damn it. Hold on. Lithium fluoride solid. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with you guys. All right. So the important thing is to know how to do it more than anything. All right. So we got the little chingadera right here, right? So you see in fluoride gas how there's two fluorine. So let's count all the molecules that we see. So we got lithium on this side, on the left side of the equation. You see right here on the equation side. Let's call this an equation. So you see on the left side, we got a lithium, right? And there's only one of them. And then on the fluoride, on the fluorine, how many do we have? You see how there's a 2 right here? So we got 2. All right. And then on this side, we got to balance it. So no matter what, we got to put a number or some shit that's going to multiply to equal the same amount. All right. So they better have the same amount. All right. So you see right here so there's a 2 right here. So no matter what, I have to put a 2 over here, right? Oh shit, that's an ugly ass 2. I have to put a 2 right here, and you see how I have 2 right here if I multiply it, right? So now over here, I got two fluorines on the right side. You see that? And then on the left side, you see how now I have 2 lithiums. All right, because they multiply through. All right, you see that? I didn't like the how it looked. It looked kind of weird. So you see how the lithium and the fluorine right there? So now I got 2 on the right side, but now I only have 1 on the left side. See over here? Only got 1. Hold on. See right here? Only got 1. See that? But now I want to add a 2 over here. All right. So instead of having a 1 up here, see this 1 right here? Now I have a 2. All right. You see that? So now let's count all the molecules. So I got 2 lithiums and 2 fluorines. You see that? And over here, I got 2 lithiums and 2 fluorines. So this is the way we solved it. All right. So how we balanced the equation. Okay. And that is what's happening right there. That's how they got that answer right there. Okay. So even if they have the answer, we're gonna go over it. So here's the next equation right there. So let's do that one. There's the answers right there, guys. So hold on, guys. Shit. Sorry, I gotta be trucha. You know what I mean? I gotta be careful right here. You know what I mean? You never know. All right. So the next equation is I'll call it barium carbonate. That is what it's called. Okay. So for the chemical formula for barium carbonate is Ba. That's ugly ass fucking B. Sorry guys, I can't really write with this shit. All right, so Ba CO3 does a reaction. I don't need a big ass arrow like that. BaO solid plus CO2 gas. All right. I don't know if that's the answer or not right there, but let's go check. Let's us review it. Bam. All right. So let's do the same shit. Let's count them again. So we got the molecule Ba. All right, on the left side right? We got Ba, we got one right here for sure. So we got 1. Hold on, let me erase that 1 because if a chemist sees that, they're gonna be like, "Hey, that shit's wrong." Okay, so we got a Ba is 1 right there. All right, and then on the right side, oh shit. On the right side, I also have 1. Actually, you know what? On the right side, there you go, so you can see it. Actually, I'm not gonna write Ba again. I'm just gonna write the amount. On the right side, I also have 1. You see that? And then carbonate, or actually not carbonate, my bad. Carbon, see this carbon right here and the carbon over here? So carbon, I got it. Carbon on the left side, I have 1, and then on the right side, I also have 1. See that? 1 right here and 1 right there. All right. So now oxygen on the left side, you see that? Let's count them. So there's 3 right here. 3. Oh shit. My bad, guys. So I got 3 oxygens right there. And then on this side, on the left side, I got 3. And then on the right side, there's 1 and 2 right here. See that? There's also 3. So this equation right here, I wonder if I could copy and paste something. I forgot how to do that. Sorry guys, I forgot how to copy something, but if we take you see how all this equation right here, the original, it's already balanced. So everything in reality, oh shit. That's why I really wanted to copy and paste it. Maybe next time. So the answer to that shit was just 1. Oh, actually the answer was basically it's already solved. You didn't need to do anything. Sorry, you didn't need to do anything for that equation, all right? That's why it's already balanced. See that? So the answer would have just been 1. It's not, sorry. It's not wrong. It's not wrong if you do 1, 1 and 1 and it's the same shit. All right. Anyway, let's just keep going. All right, there you go. Combustion reactions are combustions in air. So combustion reactions are rapid reactions that produce a flame. Most of the combustion reactions we observe involve oxygen from air as a reactant. So what it's saying from air, you can get oxygen. Actually, let's just keep going. You get oxygen from the molecule itself. But anyway, that's some other shit. Equation 3.5 illustrates a general class of reactions that involve a burning or a combustion of hydrocarbon compounds. So hydrocarbons could be like butane, propane, and shit like that. Hydrocarbon compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen, such as CH4 and C2H4. When hydrocarbons are combusted in air, they react with oxygen, O2, to form CO2, carbon dioxide, and H2O, water. The number of molecules of oxygen, O2, required in the reaction and the number of molecules of CO2, or carbon dioxide, and H2O, water, form depending on the composition of the hydrocarbon, which acts as a fuel in the reaction. For example, the combustion of propane. See, I was right. I told you. C3H8. Sorry, guys. I'm writing without looking at my notepad. So C3H8, a gas for cooking at a home heating, is described by the following equation. All right, let's do this. So this is propane, C3. So the propane that you buy at the store, this is the reaction. So that's a number 8. Fuck. Gas. All right. Plus 5 oxygens. You see that? Gas, because it's burning in the air. Oh, oxygen in the air. 21% oxygen in the air right now. Decompositions into 3 carbon dioxides and gas, plus 4 water molecules. So when you burn the stove, gas. Oh shit. So it produces both water. It produces more water than carbon dioxide. So when you burn propane in your, oh shit. No wonder you can't see shit. So let's rewrite that equation again. So this is the equation right there. So let me get a smaller. I need to go smaller. So C3. You see that? So this is propane. C3 H8 gas, because you buy it at the store. Let's say we got the fuel. That's a bad gas tank. How can I draw a gas tank? You know what? This is not accurate, but I'm just gonna draw a regular gas tank. Actually, that's terrible. Anyways, so that's propane gas, right? Plus 5 oxygen gas molecules in the air, O2, produces 3 carbon dioxides gas plus 4 water molecules. All right. So when you balance it, when you count all the water, all the oxygens and carbons and hydrogens, that's the balanced form. All right. So let's keep going. I got to figure out a way to make this a little bit better, guys. I know. Hey, Randy, thank you for joining. I'm just showing everybody a little bit of chemistry and stuff. We're just continuing on the book because it's kind of important for me. What to do. All right. So let's keep going. What to do. I hope you're doing good. Chemistry. Yes, let's go. All right, all right. Thank you, Randy. It usually takes a long time. Like I'm already at 37 minutes just to do one section. So chemistry takes a lot of work, but we're gonna keep on going. All right. But we're just gonna stop. I think we're already almost done with what we were supposed to stop. Anyways, the state of water. Anyway, so let me read that whole thing. Or wait, where am I at? Oh yeah, I'm right here. The state of water, H2O gas plus H2O liquid, depends on the conditions of the reaction. Water vapor, H2O gas, is formed at high temperature in an open container. The blue flame produced when propane burns is shown in figure 3.7. Combustion of oxygen containing sorry, let me read your things. I want to get a little saltwater tank with the Nemo set up. Oh snap! Hey, Brandy, get one. See, I need this knowledge though because I get my saltwater tank. I got to know. Oh, that's right, Randy. Brandy, other questions. If you follow this, I'm gonna put this whole series because in a playlist from my first video. The first 2 videos might be boring because I hate the first 2 chapters on the chemistry book. It's like the first day at school. It's so boring. But I'm gonna treat my channel as a university. And up next, I'm gonna also do the physics book. So we're gonna learn chemistry and physics simultaneously. I was gonna do chemistry first and then the physics, but I'm like, fuck all that shit. I rather have a class where I take chemistry and physics, and those are all my credits. So I'm gonna do that. So you guys, if you guys stick around, you guys learn chemistry and physics at the same time. But my physics. See, I need this knowledge. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah. So, anyways, about the little fish tank, Randy. I'm gonna send you links to or let me know what size fish tank are you trying to get. But definitely, if you follow the whole series, you should. Oh snap! I forgot I have the background black. But this is the salt. You know what I mean? If you follow the whole series, you should be able to make your own products, even that salt right there. Okay. That's why I'm teaching everybody chemistry. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, but definitely, Randy, let me know what size tank you want to get, or and then I'll look them up and I'll send you the link so you could just buy the tank or you could look for it at the store. But definitely, you got to get one that's reef ready. It's called reef ready or an all in one system, or get one with a reef ready, which that means it has holes drilled into it, but you don't. That might be a little bit too much for you for the first time. Just get an all in one system like the ones I always had, and you should be solid. Yeah. But you said you want uh hey, but what other fish do or what fish do you want, honestly? Let me know. Sorry, let's keep going. All right, so now here's a we're gonna do this problem, and that's the end of the chapter. So we might end this video because next chapter, I mean next section is 3.3 formula weights. I don't know if I should keep going or if I should just stop, but I'm already at 41 minutes in. Oh man, I'm already at 41 minutes in, and I've been reading and shit. I don't know. Awesome, thanks. Anyway, so let's do this next problem right now. That's on the book. Oh, you want some clownfish? Oh, definitely. How big of a tank do you want? Uh, and then I could because with the clownfish you could get as small as the tank I had, but I would honestly get a slightly bigger one than the one I had, than like a 15 gallons. Get one bigger than 15 gallons, honestly. And you should be able to breed them. Yeah, they need a reef. Uh, just tell me how big of a tank, and then I'll start moving, and then I'll send you different tanks that you could order. Let me know if you want a glass one or an acrylic one. Probably a glass one so it doesn't scratch easy. So I'll send you links to a glass tank. I don't know. I was asking you. Más bien, how big is the room that you have? Let's say is it 3 feet of a space? You wanted it like in the corner? Is it like a 3 foot corner or like a 2 foot corner? Uh, uh, if you just tell me, like, let's say you want to put it somewhere and it's 5 feet long, uh, and maybe like 2 feet wide or a foot wide, or if you want something that's only 24 inches by something inches, like an old school bubble gum machine, but big. It's so cool looking. It's like an old school bubble gum machine and but big. All right, all right. Uh, I'm gonna send you different round tanks and stuff. So honestly, if you can, I must send you a 30 gallon, like pictures of a 30 gallon tank, or I mean, pictures. I'm gonna send you links to a 30 gallon tank with like the what do you call it, with like the dimensions and stuff, so you can know how big it is, and then you choose which one. It's a 22 foot, 22 foot wall long and 9 foot wall. Oh shit, that's a pretty big ass wall. Is it inches? Man, my office. Oh shit. Oh, right on, right on. You want one that big, or do you want one like, man? That's a big ass tank for sure. And then what's your budget also? Uh, I'll just send you for sure like the tank and the stand. And then if you want clownfish, I'll send you the what do you call it? The lights and everything that you're gonna need. I'll send you the to I'll send you everything. I'll send you like different options of lights and different options of to move your water flow, to move your water. Okay. I'm gonna send you the affordable ones, like me that I just use to experiment, knowing that they're gonna fail possibly really quick. And then I'll give you the more expensive ones, but sometimes people are like, "Oh, I'd rather just I should have just bought the." I don't know. You do your thing, but I'll send you the best ones that I think. Just two of each. You know what I mean? Two lights and two water flows, and that's pretty much all you need. I have a split level house. I have a whole living room downstairs, and I'm converting into my office. Oh wow! All right, then I'll definitely send you a long tank. I'll send you different cool ass tanks. I'm just gonna send you tanks that I would buy that I think fucking look badass, and then it's up to you to make the decision. But I'm just letting you know you don't need to spend that much. All right, Randy. In terms of system, but I'm gonna try to get you like the biggest model tank, like factory tank that, because factory tanks are more affordable. So I'm gonna get you the biggest factory tank. You know what I mean? I'm gonna send you the links to them, and then if you on Craigslist, or if you manage to find one, it doesn't matter. All right, we're gonna do this, but I would honestly just start dry, like with your own stuff. Sometimes actually buying, sometimes when you look in Craigslist, you will find a really cool ass tank, and I usually do see them, but you got to kind of be on it. Uh, let's see where I was at. My 22-year-old son moved out with his girlfriend, and he's having a baby, so now I have space. Oh, right on. That's so cool. And congratulations to your son. Damn, I need to have kids possibly pretty soon. Okay, no, that was just helping the wall. Oh, okay. My stupid phone is not saying what I needed, so it's just how big the wall space is that I have. Oh, okay. So you have a big space, so you get a pretty big system. So, for starters, if you're gonna start and you have that much space, I would get like a 50-gallon tank or bigger. Okay, so I would not get a small tank. I was just thinking maybe you didn't have that much space, but if you have that much space, definitely a 50-gallon tank or bigger is the way to go. Okay. And I'm gonna send you ones with nice dimensions. Okay, I'm gonna send you one with nice dimensions. And the reason I said a 50-gallon tank, because 50-gallon systems, the price ranges are usually lower because factories know most people want to buy that kind of size system. Between 50 to 200 gallons. Uh, I used to have. Sorry, I'm reading your new comments, and I need to catch up. But I forgot what I was saying. But something about gallons and this and that. Sorry, I'm excited. Hey, okay, you know the size of the of those balls you have blow up and take the big one is about that big. Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. So you want something that big? Okay. I'm excited. All right, damn, Randy, I'm so excited too. And then if you can send me video clips. Nah. I definitely want to know, or at least have pictures and everything. That'd be pretty cool on your progress. Thank you. Thank you, Randy. Man, I really highly appreciate you guys, and definitely, Randy. I'm definitely gonna help you out, and you're gonna be super successful. Since you're a super sexy lady, right? If you do a video and you post it like your fish tank, the way I plan on having your fish tank look, it's gonna look fucking badass. Uh, you're gonna be like the most famous female, or even for sure from the girls, you'll be the most famous female in the reefing hobby, and people that have fish tanks are gonna be asking you a lot of questions. That's all I gotta start saying, and they might get a little bit frustrated with you because they're not gonna believe that you're new to the hobby. I used to have a diamond shape one. It was huge. Oh, okay, okay. So you want like a round one or something, or like a hexagon shape or something like that, possibly. I'm gonna send you different shapes of different systems, half moon shapes, hexagons. My favorite shapes, different octagons or elongated, uh, uh, like an elongated hexagon tank or half moon tanks. Man, I'm gonna send you different options for sure. The fish are expensive as hell alone. Yeah, for sure, Randy. And over here, I could get $10 frags of uh of coral. Um, just I could just get them for you and just ship it to you, and you don't need to pay me anything. You know what I mean? I'll get you your corals you're gonna need. You know what I mean? Because over here I could get, but I'm pretty sure where you live, there's probably someone in the hobby or different local fish stores that have the same. But like I said, always only get really nice things. Don't get something just because it's cheap. But like I said, the section that I'm telling you are really really cool stuff. Beach ball size. Oh, okay. So you want a little fish tank about the size of a beach ball, right? Or a little bit bigger. So let's say you want uh I would say probably like a 30-gallon for sure, or a 40-gallon hexagon tank. I used to have Oscars too, but those are too dirty for my taste in fish. I want to look at the fish, not mud. For sure, Randy. And honestly, if you only want something like the size of the beach ball, you're just gonna need one light and one pump, and that's gonna be pretty affordable. Honestly, I could already see the tank running, and it's not gonna be that expensive for you. Oh snap! That's my home screen. All right, my bad, guys. But like I said, we're definitely gonna. Oh yeah, so Oscars. I used to have Oscars, those two, but they're. Hey, Brandy, you should be one of my guests on. Man, once you have your tank running, you should be my guest. And but well, it depends which one you want to be. A guest either for science of, or actually, I would want you to be actually an interview for the fish. Because I'm only interviewing an exclusive people for the fish interviews. And since you had Oscars before, you definitely have some experience, and that would be pretty cool. And I know you've been on the microphone. I mean, on YouTube. So I don't know. Let me know. That's some future, just some future shit. Some future shit. Uh, but definitely, you know what? Let's just put it like this: your fish tank's gonna look way better than my fish tank for sure. Uh, my tank is not gonna look anything cool. Man, did you just say all the tanks that I had that you saw all my fish tank videos? Your fish tank is gonna look way better than my shit. That's how I plan on having your tank looking, because unlike everybody else in the hobby, I don't take pride in my fish tank. I I take pride in other people's fish tank that I help. You know what I mean? Bam. Sorry, I'm out writing. So yeah, I'm gonna make your fish tank look pretty cool. And if you want clownfish, man, that sounds really cool. And then like the hardest part for sure is carbonate. But if you keep following me on the next few chapters, or not even the next few chapters, pretty soon, I actually, you're gonna know enough chemistry already. So all the chemistry videos that I did on the fish tank videos, you're gonna know exactly what's going on. You're gonna be way more advanced than most people here watching. It's a 50-gallon. I just got it. Oh. That's really cool. 50-gallon. Hey, send me pictures, Randy. I'm gonna send you uh two links to the light. Since you already got the fish tank, I'm gonna send you the links to the light and the, what do you call it? the water pump that you're gonna need to move the water for the coral. Okay, it's the wave maker. They're power heads that will do the job, but I want you to get a cool water maker. Wave maker. Sorry. So imagine like the whole body of water is gonna move, like if it's straight up in the ocean. And honestly, it's not even that expensive. I'm just gonna send you the link to the one I got. I just don't like that if you touch it, the electrical sometimes shuts off. Uh, and then I'm gonna get other ones that are more reliable. You know what I mean? I only got it just to test it, but what I've seen, wave makers are really cool to have in there. And then another thing, I might send you a UV light. I don't think you'll need it, but just in case in the future, just to let you know. But uh, it's just something to think about. ¿Qué tal, Vale? Hey, Aguilera Michoacán, thank you for joining, bro. Much love. And I said we love Randy. Randy's always welcome, and she's gonna join the hobby. Well, she's already part of the hobby. Actually, she said she's had Oscars before, so honestly, I can see why Randy followed. I really love you so much, Randy. Man, I really want to hear your Oscar stories. Honestly, I really do. Yeah, I got a lot of experience from the Oscars, how to clean it and put it back together and everything because they are so dirty. Oh yeah, Randy, for sure. Freshwater fish, they urinate and poop a lot, and then the saltwater fish, they never or hardly ever urinate in their life because they want to preserve water in the body. But they do poop. But at least that's but freshwater fish, they constantly urinate because they're trying to have salt in the body, so they're trying to get rid of the fresh water in the body. So they're constantly getting the water really, really dirty. Uh yeah, the DJ and dance with my ass off, of course. I will come up and say what to do. Oh hell yeah, Randy! See, you're the best, Randy, man. God, Randy, I can't express myself just because you don't see the my face right here because we have the camera on the book, but I'm pretty smiling because that's so cool that you've been in the hobby way prior to following me. So that's really cool. I love all that because they people like you and like me and you, we have different whole bunch of crazy stories. You know what I mean? But definitely, Randy, I'm gonna be sending you links to all the all the pumps and everything that I recommend, and maybe a UV. But I only add a UV once I run into problems. But I'm just gonna tell you a UV once in a while. You might add it to the system like how I did, but on a 50 gallon, if your tank's 50 gallons, you might just be able to have it in there permanently. Yeah, we're tank buddies. Yeah, definitely, Randy. I never knew that about you. I know Brenda. When I first talked to Brenda on Incredible Javier's channel, she told me she had a fish tank. I'm like, oh, Brenda, that's. And then she told me her stories of her what's it called, her fighting fish and everything, and that was so cool. But definitely, man, I definitely really like that you guys are in the hobby and everything. Hold on, I wrote that down. Uh, Mexico. What up, Henry? Hey, Miklo Barajas, thank you for joining, bro. I don't know if you have us. Hold on, let me get my phone. I don't know if you have a wrench. Hold on, real quick. Oh snap! Hold on, guys. My camera went down. Hold on, guys. My camera went down. Actually, you know what? I don't need the camera anymore. Cause I'm almost done with this book, but oh, I'm following you, bro. Thank you, Randy. I got to know everything. Hell yeah. That's what's up. See, we love Randy right here. Randy's always welcome. All right. Uh I'm gonna be talking and finishing this problem just so we get out of here. All right. And I could just talk to you guys about the fish tank because we're definitely gonna do something for Randy for sure. And like I said, Randy's always down. Make sure you guys follow Randy and subscribe to her YouTube. All right, guys. but definitely Randy's part of the community, and she follows everybody that's Raza. I usually see her on all the she's part of the community, guys, and just join. Because honestly, I know I do a lot of reef tank stuff, but really, I'm part of the community with Randy and everybody. You know what I mean? That does content over there. Henry, 400 bags installed next week, Friday store. Please me up. Pay faster shipping. All right, all right, all right. Hey, I'll hit you up. I'll hit you up after the live. I just need 10 left. All right. Hey, I'll hit you up after the live. All right. I don't know. I had this really huge goldfish, which I don't think it was a goldfish. I think it was one of those koi fish, but who knows? But every time I went to the bathroom, I seen it. It felt like it was. Felt like I was. Oh damn! I was violating the fish. I seen they pop pooping out like it was looking at me, asking me what it was doing. Randy, you were taking. You were taking a big koi. It was the elusive ones. You got to be careful with those. Oh, that shit's hella funny. Oh man. All right. Let me All right, let's finish this equation. All right, let's balance this equation real quick for methanol. All right, so if you look at it, all right, let me just finish this equation so we get out of here. All right, so over here we got on the C, on the left side we got 1. Shit, that's gonna be hard to write right there because of that. So we got 1 right there. All right, and then for hydrogens we got 3. All right. Oh, we got 4. We got 4 because there's 1 right here and 1 right there. And then oxygens, we got 3. All right. And then on this side, on the bottom, on the right side of the equation, we got one carbon. And then we got for hydrogens, we got 2. And then for oxygens, we got 3. All right. So you see how we need to multiply a hydrogen somewhere on this side, on the right side. So somewhere over here, we got to multiply the hydrogen to get a 4. And we see this spot right here. See that? Now I got 4 over here. And how many oxygens do I have over here? So now I'm gonna have damn, hold on guys. I should rewrite the equation smaller. So anyway, I got 4 right here now, right? You see that? Hold on guys, real quick. All right. Yeah, sorry, I'm all tripping out. All right, so now we got 4, right? All right, I'll call you, bro. I love you, Brenda. Yeah, I love Brenda. Yeah, we love Brenda. Yeah, I love the fish. Definitely, definitely. Uh, it's the eyeliner in me. 200 gallons. All right, guys. We guys are like that's a little too much. All right, it's the. But I'll hit you guys all up for sure. but it's the islander in me. But definitely, we're gonna hook up Brandy for sure. All right. So anyway, let's go back to the equation. So now we got 4 over here, but now you see how there's oxygen. Now I have to multiply the oxygens. Now I got 4, 5, 6. So now I got 6 oxygens. But you see how I always constantly have to be adding more numbers? It's because it's not really going to be balanced so easy. You know what I mean? All right. So now I have to keep multiplying numbers. Hold on. Instagram. Yeah. You want me to hit you up on Instagram? All right. I'll hit you up on Instagram for sure. Sorry. Man, why did my camera go down? Oh, my camera's still down. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get my camera on. Hold up. I wonder if it's on. Oh yeah, it is on now. Okay, hold on. All right, guys, this is the problem we're working on, but it's already done for us. But I'm just gonna go over it with you. All right. So that's what the fuck we're doing, right? It's just that it's gonna be take forever to do it. So I'm gonna use the book at the same time. All right, since the problem is already there. See right here. So this is where we're at, right? So now we jump. Okay, so now we got 4, right? And now what they're saying right here, adding the covalent balances gives 4 oxygen atoms to in products because there are only 3 oxygen reactants. To see that we are not finished yet. We replace a fractional coefficient of 3 halves in front of the oxygen to give us a total of 4 atoms in the reactants. Bam. All right. So now they added a 3 halves over here. 3 halves of an oxygen. You see that? And that's gonna so what does that mean? So if we get a in math, all right. So let me show you some math real quick. I'm trying to figure out what was the coefficient. Oh yeah, so 3 halves times 2, or oxygen, right? So what that means is you get 3 and you multiply it by 2 is going to give you 6, and then you divide by that 2 and it's going to give you 3. Okay, you see that? All right. So that would explain how they got the 3 right here. You see that? The 3 on the oxygen right there. You see that? And when you get the 3, now it's going to give you a total of 6 oxygens on the left side. Okay. Bam. So let me rewrite the whole equation, but this is why I think maybe if I go a smaller pixel, I could probably write everything. Hey, Randy, thank you for joining. Honestly, let me just try to finish this real quick. All right, so explain to you guys what's happening. All right, so now let me do everything real quick. So where we're at. So CH3. All right, fuck it. You know what? Let's just keep talking. All right. So now we got a 3 right here, right? All right, a 2. Oh wait, now I know what he's doing. Okay, let me just rewrite everything, or let me not rewrite everything. All right, so on this one, you see how Oh shit, yeah, I can't even erase that. Yeah, let me just rewrite everything. Where we're at. CH3. Sorry guys, I'm not even thinking about if I'm writing the equation right, which I'm not. Have I been writing it right? I don't even know. All right, so CH3L plus 3. I am Hawaiian and white. Oh, that's so cool, Randy. So definitely, you know what's one of a lot of my favorite fish come from Hawaii. Have you seen a flame angel? Flame angel's like one of my favorite fish ever. They're like bright red. If you get a flame angel and then a yellow surgeonfish and a blue surgeonfish, man, that's like the best trio colors, like a fish swimming in the water, like in a fish tank. Oh, actually, but oh yeah, for a 50-gallon, you might. Yeah, just stick with the clowns. Just stick with the clowns. But man, Hawaiian fish. There's so many cool Hawaiian fish, and then there's like 6 line wrasses. I would love to see the setup in the tank too. Yeah, definitely. We gotta check that shit out too. We gotta check a 20,000 gallons. That's a big ass system. I think you might have added a few extra zeros, probably more like a 200-gallon system or a 2,000, but 20,000. That's a huge ass setup. Uh oh yeah. So anyway, let's just keep going where we're at. 0. Sorry guys, just that we started talking about fish tanks, and then I forgot what I was doing with the. Damn it. You know what? I wasn't supposed to write that 2 right there. This 2 right here. I wasn't supposed to write that down. At least not yet. All right, everybody. So when we go back over here, you see how I have four oxygens right here? There's 2 right here, and because of this 2, I have 2 right here. All right. That's how I got this 4 right here, and this 3 right here. Okay, so that's how I got this 4 right here, this 4, and this 3, right? And then but now everything's not balanced, all right? In order to balance everything, because now I have what, four oxygens right here, and then on this side I got 4, so that's 8 oxygens total. You see that? 4. Let's count real quick. Yeah, that's 8 oxygens total. You see that? All right. But over here, let's see, 3, that's 6. So I got 6 over here. So 3 times 2 equals 6. And then over here, only got 1. So uh I need two more what's it called? 2 more carbons. I mean 2 more oxygens. You see that? And I need 2 carbons because of this. Oh shit. Oh shit. That, like I said, I drew that 2 on accident. So forget this 2 right here. The imagine it doesn't exist, all right? So I need to draw 2 more carbons, right? I mean 2 more oxygens. So I'm gonna put a 2 over here on this side, a big old 2 right here. You see that? So now when I multiply it over here, I got 2 2 more oxygen. So that's going to give me a total of 8 oxygens, just like down here. Okay. But when I did that, oh shit. But when I do that, when I add this 2, you see how, remember, this wasn't supposed to be here. You see, now I need another carbon. You see that? Another one of these guys right here. So what I want to do is add another 2 over here. You see that? And now let's check if it's balanced. So 2, 3, 2. Oh yeah, see? Now, sorry, now I'm looking at the book. So now we look at the book. That's the final answer, and that's how you got that. All right. So that's how they got a 2, a 3, a 2, and a 4. Okay. That's what they did right there. Okay. So anyways, finally done with that, and now we're at empirical formulas. Sorry, I'm just trying to end this real quick. I mean, to end this book. So now we're at 3.3 and formula weights, and we're gonna stop right here. Okay, all right, guys. But going back to this problem right here, maybe next time we'll start with this one right here. All right. But anyways, on this fucking problem is one of those tricky problems that the professor is gonna give you, or at least it's gonna separate the pros from the Joes. It's this 3/2 right here. You see this 3/2 right here? This 3/2. It's gonna be really hard to figure out that it's a 3/2, honestly, unless you're always unless you kind of know your fractions, I guess is the best way to do it. But remember, to get that 3, watch. To get that 3, when you have the oxygen 2 and that half, right? Let's say if you're doing math, so this is chemistry, right? We're doing chemistry right here. But let's say you do math. This is how you read the problem. 3/2 times 2. Do you see that? And the way I do it is I multiply the 3 is going to be 6, right? And then you want to divide the 2. You see that? And it'll give you the 3. And if you're not careful, that's what's going to separate the pros from the Joes to get that 3 right here. This is the most tricky part, is that 3 right there. All right. Just as a heads up. But all the other ones, they're going to be whole numbers. But that fraction, that 3/2 multiplied to that oxygen, is not going to be so apparent. All right. But that's how they got a 3 right there. Yeah, see, so it says, although the equation is now balanced, it is not the most conventional form because it contains a fractional coefficient. If we multiply each side by the coefficient by 2, we'll remove the fraction and achieve the following balanced equation. So they remove the 2, but just do what I'm just telling you. Is basically what basically everything that I just told you. But they got that multiplied with that 2 from this oxygen, okay? So remember, there's a difference between learning chemistry and math. But anyways, let's go back time to the fish tanks. Fuck all this chingadera. But anyways, let's go. I'm listening, bro. Oh, thank you, Randy. I'm not rushing just because I've been wanting to talk to you about the fish. But that was pretty much the end of today's lessons, guys and girls. But even though I only go over everything once, it's gonna be really important because I'm building everything. So imagine we're learning how to count or learning ABCs fast, and it's gonna seem like I'm just skimming, like going real quick. But it takes for you to practice this shit to get good. All right, and then like let's say if you look over here. Let's say if we look only right here at ethanol. See, I even did it right here on the right side of the book. When I was going to the university, you can see my when I was doing it on the right side. So I always write on my books. That's why I don't like the online version or whatever you call it, because you can't write on that shit. But here's the book. When I did this, the problem right next to it, which is right there, that you can see right there. So since I did it on the book, I'm gonna show you real quick. So ethanol, should we just do it? Let me know if you guys want to. Yeah, let's just do it. Fuck it. That's why we're here to learn. We're not here to talk about fish tanks. We're here to do chemistry. Sorry, guys. This isn't a. Well, it's all chemistry, right? It all relates, right? The ocean water and chemistry, right? It all relates. So let's do that problem together. I'm not gonna look at the book, guys, because when I look at the book, it throws me off. C2. So I'm gonna do this as if I'm taking the exam and I'm thinking in my head, all right? And I'm just gonna be thinking out loud, talking to you guys. Uh, even though the answer's right there, I know, but you could cheat. But honestly, it's not gonna take you anywhere. Honestly, CO2. Sorry, I'm gonna read the equation out loud to you. All right. So you guys can learn how to read this. Plus, okay. And I know I have the answer right there. Oh, that's an arrow. That's not a. Oh, but the answer is right here on the left side of the book. Either way, watch. You guys, I'm not gonna be looking at the book, but that's the problem right there. Look, I'm gonna explain to you guys how they got those answers. All right, hold up, guys. Sorry, I had to watch my back. You know, you gotta watch my back. All right, liquid, and then this is gas, gas, and then this is gas. All right, perfect. All right, so we got the equation right there, right? So let's count everything. So now I'm not gonna look at the book, even though you guys got the answers. Like I said, you're not gonna learn if you just write the answers. Let's learn actually how to fucking do it. All right, so let's count everything on this left side of the equation. All right, see how that's the left side, and here's the right side. All right, so let's count the carbons, the carbon molecules. So I got 2 right here, and that's pretty much it. So I got 2 carbons, hydrogens. Oh shit. I got 5 right there, 6 with that one, and 1 right there. So I got 6 total. What the fuck? Oh. So I got 6 of those. And oxygens, again, on the left side of this whole shit, right? Oh, well, actually, let me tell you guys what's happening. So right here we got what's this? Ethanol, liquid. When you ignite it with the flame, it produces carbon dioxide and water vapor, or I mean, water vapor and gas. So water in gas form, known as vapor. Okay. So anyways, let's continue. So now we got oxygens. Now let's count the oxygens. I have how many of those? I got 1 right there and 2 right there. So I got 3 oxygens total. All right. And then on the left side, so that's the left side right there, this whole shit. So now on the right side, I only got 1 carbon. See that? I only got 1 carbon. And then for hydrogens, oh wait, let me erase that. So and then for hydrogens, let's count those. I only got 2. So that's not cool because we're gonna need a multiply, right? I only got 2. And then oxygens, I got 2 right there and 1 right there. So oxygens, I got 3. So remember, 2 right here, 1 right there. Right? All right. So let's start off. I usually like to start off with the sometimes that's something that's so obvious to me, or that might not be too obvious to me. So the oxygens, they seem normal, right? You see how the oxygens, oh shit, I copied it. So you see this oxygen is 3 and over here is 3. They say they're balanced, right? This one's not balanced and this one's not balanced. All right. So I usually like to start off with the easiest one to start off with. All right. Since this is 2 and I know there's hydrogens over here, all I got to do is multiply this side by a 2. Okay. So let's multiply that shit by a 2. All right. So now let's count everything over again. So let me copy this. So we go back to it and let me paste it here. All right. So now let's recount. So now I got 2 carbons over here. You see that? Which it balances up here. But now let's count the oxygens. The oxygens, now I got 2 times 2 is 4. All right, so now I got 4 oxygens. Oh wait, so you guys know what I'm doing. So I'm still on this side, all right? So I got 4 oxygens here and 1 over here, and that's equal to 5. So I got 5 total now. Okay, but I'm not gonna draw that 5. Okay, but let's say I got 5 total. All right, yeah, let's just draw that 5. But let me erase this other shit. So now I got 5 total, right? But I really don't give a shit. But I know that's balanced right there too, right? On that 2. But now let's go on the more obvious one that I also need a balance. You see these hydrogens? It's just screaming to me to put a fucking 3. Why? Because 3 or 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Just because I'm working in reverse. But if you so we're working at this hydrogen right here on the right side. All right. So in order to go from 2 to 6, so to go to 2 from 6, I got to multiply by 3. So I'm going to put the 3 right here. All right. So now that I multiplied the 3 over here, let's count all the hydrogens and oxygens again. Okay. All right. So now I got 6 hydrogens. Oh shit. That looks nasty as fuck. Now I got 6 hydrogens, right? And now let's count the oxygen. So 3. So that's 3 oxygens plus 4 that are over here. See that? So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I got 7 oxygens. Damn, I'm gonna constantly have to go bigger. Damn, that sucks. How do I get a pencil? I mean, an eraser. Oh, it's right here. All right, now I got 7 oxygens. How do I go back? Ah, you son of a bitch. Oh, sorry, guys. You guys are not even following. Oh, yeah, you guys are. Sorry. I'm using Flip a Clip, and we have to watch their stupid commercials, guys. My bad. All right. No, it's because I clicked out of there. Okay. How do I get the? Oh, I'm using a brush. That's why. Okay. So I got 7 oxygens. Okay. Now I got 7 on this side. Do you see that? So I'm missing a number, right? You see that? You see what I mean? So I got 7 oxygens. So I'm missing a number. So now let's recount everything. So I got 2 carbons on up here, and I got 2 down here, which are balanced. But the oxygens up here are not balanced. See the 3 and the 7? Those guys are the only ones that are not balanced. So I got to figure out something. And the easiest way to honestly do it is to add another number, a coefficient up here, okay? And it's going to change everything, okay? So now let's add the way I do it is I always add a 2 up here. You see that? And now let's count everything again. Let me copy and paste this real quick. Or hold up, let me see. Yeah, that's not cleaner. In case I fuck it up. All right. So let's count the carbons again. So now we got 4 carbons right here. All right. And that's pretty much it. So now let's change this to a 4. What the fuck? There you go. Sorry guys. That's dope as fuck, bro. Sorry, let's catch up on comments real quick. I see my grow trees, so I see what you're saying, but mixing water and the vitamins and all that. So I'm seeing similar things in this. Oh, thank you. I love biology and chemistry in school. Oh, Brandy, I love you so much, man. Man, I gotta find myself a girl that loves chemistry and like science. That'd be pretty cool. But anyway, let's keep going, guys. So I got 4 right there, right? And now I need to figure out something. Hold on. I think I fucked this up. I think I fucked this up. Hold up. I did mess that up. I know where I messed up too. See, guys. Uh, that's the thing about doing chemistry. You're always gonna be fucking up. So let's go back. Well, you know what? Let's keep working on it. Fuck it. We could always simplify. Hey, I don't want to derail learning, but I was more expensive chemistry book class or your reef tanks and corals. Hey, I don't want to derail your learning, but oh, coral. Oh shit, bro. If you do the chemistry book in the university, like let's say you take the classes with the labs, it's gonna run you like 10,000, and I spent 10,000 easily on a reef tank. Also, I'll say they're both just as expensive, bro. It was some expensive shit. Uh, for sure though. Wait, hold on, guys. I'm all tripping out right now. You know what, guys? I know this is wrong, especially because we got the book right there. But I know this two is not supposed to be there now. But let's just keep going. Uh, yeah. So the book is the most expensive thing. Yours was on camera. Thanks for teaching. I've been looking one to work. All right, all right. Hey, oh, but honestly, Coral, all you need is just the book. This is the. I'll show you the. Let me show you the cover of this book. This is called. It's called Chemistry, the Central Science by Brown, LeMay. Oh shit! Sorry, the camera's not even focused. It's Brown, LeMay, Bernstein, and Murphy. But it's called Chemistry, the Central Science. And it's the book from my university. So we're not doing high school chemistry right here. All right. But right here, if we're looking at this problem, is the one I keep fucking up on. But even though the answer is there, I'm also out of practice, so it's good for me to practice me fucking up. Anyway, let's keep going. I'm just gonna count everything because I know it's wrong, but I'm just gonna count everything. I'm gonna keep going. All right, guys. Okay, and keep going. All right. So I got 4 carbons right there. I know what's up. So I got 4 carbons, and now let's count the hydrogens. So I got 2 times 5. That's 10, right? 10 hydrogens right here, plus another 2. That's 12. So I got 12 hydrogens right there. Oh shit. But I said this is not right? Because the answer is obviously right here, right? The coefficient needs to be a 3. Oh wait, a 1, a 3, a 2, and a 3, right? So let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. Fuck. All right. Because no matter what, at some point I have to simplify this shit. All right. And then the oxygens, let's count the oxygens. All right. So I got 2 oxygens right here because of that, plus another 2. That's 4. That's 4 oxygens. You see that? See what I mean? So now I need to come up with what? A number that comes up with 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 6. Okay, hold on, guys. The oxygen 2, that's gonna be 4. But I want to get to a 7. You see that? See what I mean? But let's say I put a 3 right here. Let's say I put a 3 right there. Let's count the oxygens. All right. So I got 6 oxygens right here, plus another 2. That's 7. So 7 oxygens. Do you see that? So oh wait, hold on. Let me erase that. Wait, hold on, guys. All right, my bad, everybody. All right. Bam. All right, so let's count it. But I know this is wrong, right? So if we divide everything, all right, so that's equal. Let's say I had to get a 2 over here, and then over here times 2. So let's say I get 4 over here. All right. And then I'm just going to keep going in circles and circles. All right. So let's go back originally. Let's say I rewrote the equation again. Let's start all over. Oh, sorry. The camera went down, guys. But let's start all over. Oh, actually, we need the camera on real quick. My bad, guys. I'm trying to turn on the camera real quick. Guys, not turning on. All right. I think my camera overheated real quick. Sorry, I'll turn it on right now. No, this is wrong. All right, let's keep going again. All right, let's start all over. Let's copy and paste the equation again. And let's start all over. That's the thing with the chemistry. You got to practice that shit. We're totally out of practice. Let's start all over. All right. So now let's all right, fuck it. Let's start with the obvious, all right, guys? So let's add a 2 right there, all right? So we added this 2 right here because I know I usually, when I solve these equations, always add the 2. All right, so we got the 2 right here. Let's count everything. Okay, so that's gonna give me a 2. So now I know why I slipped up. Now let me change everything again. All right, so 2. All right, so all the carbons are balanced, right? All right. So now let's balance the oxygens. Now in the oxygens, I got 4. Wait, I got 4 oxygens right here and 1 over here. You see that? So that's 5 oxygens right there. So let's recount this shit. All right. Sorry, guys. All right. I'm reading my computer sync. All right. So I got 5 oxygens. Right. So that's going to give me 4. Right. 4. And an empty one. That's 5 total right there. Okay. But the carbons are balanced now. See that? So the carbons are balanced. So now let's balance the oxygens this time. All right. So what can I do to balance the oxygens? Hold on. I'm thinking of. I'm trying to see some shit real quick. Let's see what I would do first. Yeah, definitely first. I would multiply next the hydrogens. So let's go over here. All right, let's count that shit. All right. Oh, I think my shutter finally working. Oh, hold on, guys. Heck, he knows. Hold on, guys. What the hell's wrong with my camera? Nope. All right. Screw it. All right. So now let's say let's count the hydrogens. All right. So now I got 3. So that's 6. All right. So now that's balanced. So the hydrogens are balanced. I know, guys. Never do this shit live on camera, but we're doing it live on camera. All right. So now let's count those. All right. So I got three oxygens. I mean, sorry, what the fuck am I talking? So I got 6 hydrogens. You see that? All right, so that's balanced. So now what's not balanced is what? The oxygens are not balanced. They're off up here. So we got to think of a way to get what number? Let's see. You know what? Let's keep it simple. Now, how is that shit not fucking obvious? I need to add a 2. So let's put a 2 right there. All right. So now let's count the oxygens on the left side over here. All right. So I got 4 plus another one. That's 5. Okay. So now let's go over here, erase this shit. And now, okay, there you go. Oh yeah. So how many? 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, there you go, guys. Now the equation is balanced. So now look, I got 5 oxygens, right? 6 over here, and now 2 over here. So the answer is that. This is the answer right there. To the original problem, all we need to add is a 1, a 2. Wait, this wasn't supposed to be there. But well, in terms of there you go. See, from the original equation, that's how we got that. All right. But I want to show you the book. Don't forget to carry the 2. Hold on, I'm trying to turn on the camera real quick, guys. I'm not sure why it's not working. Hold on, guys. I'm a quick out and in the live real quick. Hold on. All right, guys. My bad. Hold up real quick. Uh. All right, there you go. Man, you guys are making fun of me up live. All right, there you go. But I can't. I don't know why I'm not able to get the. Hold on, guys. I don't know why it's not. Oh, anyways, the guys, that's the answer though. But hold up. Treacher, I think you might learn a little bit better if you turn it into a song for us. Hey, for reals, bro. Hey, bro, hold on. That's the answer though, right there. 1, 2, 2, and 3, right there. You guys tell me if it's right, but that's the answer right there. But I'm trying to turn on my camera and I can't even turn that shit on. You know what, guys? Hold up. It's not popping up, but let me see if this will come out. Yeah, it's only letting me record vertically. But if we look right here, that's the answer right there, though. But I can't show you guys. But anyways, fuck it. God, why isn't it working though? All right, but I think we're just gonna say we have technical difficulties. Okay, see, this is not the right camera, but I think we might end the live now because my thing messed up. Yeah, see, I can't even put the book there on that camera. But anyways, guys, that's the answer again. Let me rewrite the equation again, but that's the answer, and we're out of here. But we're gonna talk. I'm gonna send Randy her fish tanks and everything. Or actually, she already has the fish tank. I just gotta. This was a kick-ass stream, bro. Coral Works, thank you, bro. I hope you guys make you guys laugh and that's the thing with chemistry. You guys got to practice the problems because you saw me, even me. I'm a little rusty, but I eventually you'll figure it out, and that's the only way you're gonna be able to do it. I'm just writing the equation down again. This was my answer. Well, you don't need that one. Well, actually, let me write the equation by itself. Remember, it was in gas form. Wait, why did it stop right? Oh, it's still writing. My bad. Okay, so in gas form, and my answer was 3. See, my fucking thing's acting weird. I wonder if the thing's just not plugged in. And that was my answer, and that is the right answer, guys. But it took forever. Not really didn't take forever, but it took me fucking up once because you see that this 2, when I fucked it up, this 2 wasn't supposed to be there. You see that this 2 wasn't supposed to be here, and it's because the reason I got confused is because I put a 2 over here. See that 2 I multiplied. I don't know why, but I put a 4 over here. That 4 wasn't supposed to be there. That's what threw me off. You see that? That's what happens when you don't write the equation right, or you don't write it correctly. You'll some stupid shit like that. That coefficient right there. This coefficient right here. This 2 right here. Because I had a 4 over there, I kept getting the wrong answer. This was a kick-ass stream, bro. Hey, bro, thank you, bro. A little rusty, but the right alkaline solution to pull the ions away, and cold works, bro. Right? Hey, bro. Definitely, I'm a little rusty though. Uh, you know, I could kind of see myself. Can I? Yeah. I'm definitely a little rusty, bro. See, this is the wrong camera because this is my tripod, and then the camera's right here, but this camera is not working. I don't know if it overheated or what the fuck, but it's not working. So I can't show you the book anymore. But that's the answer, and also the answer in the book. But it was this 2 because look, you see this 2 right here. Watch. Right there, it was right, but then over here I had a 4. Right there, I had a 4 right here, and that was stupid. But that's what happens when you don't write the shit down right. But anyways, that's the thing right there. But I'm definitely be sending the information to Randy for her fish tank, coral, bro. Thank you for your support also, bro, for the fish tank. I'm happy you guys enjoyed this stream. It's an hour and 55 long, and we're at 3.3. But I know I'm a little rusty, so it's definitely a big help for all of us. And like I said, we're gonna, even though we have the answers right there, we're gonna figure them out. But I hope you guys learned something in this stream. Next up is gonna be 3.3 formula weights in the chemistry, but we're also gonna do the physics. We're gonna start the physics book also. All right. So next up is physics. So imagine this is a university and we're learning chemistry and physics both at the same time. All right. I was just gonna do chemistry first and then physics, but I decided to just do both at the same time. I know it's gonna be more work and all that, but remember, I'm gonna do all the work for you guys. You guys just ask the questions, and like I said, if you guys follow along, you should be able to build your own products and all that, manufacture and all that shit. But anyway, this is the end of this live, guys. Much love, everybody tapped in. Coral, bro, thank you for joining. Randy and everybody else, much love. I'm gonna go and start getting Randy started with her fish tank and all that. So make sure everybody subscribe to Randy and Coral. They're both content creators and all that. Much love, everybody tapped in, and I'll see you guys on the next video.